Here's problem 8. It has all this n and a 3, n and a 1, and it equals n plus 4 plus 9. So I have a bunch of stuff on this side. Now before I start trying to take something and move it over, I'm going to combine everything that can be combined. It's sort of like if I have a bunch of trash on the floor. Doesn't make sense to go grab one piece of trash, walk up the trash can, throw it away, go back, grab the next piece, throw it away. You gather all the trash together, all in your arms, and then take it all to the trash at one time. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put everything together before we start moving things left and right of the equal sign. So I'm just going to concentrate on this left stuff. I'm going to say what goes together here. Well, I have an n and an n. N plus an n is 2 of them, so I got 2 n's. Add 3, add 1, that's the same as adding 4. So this just combines to 2n plus 4. Now let's look on the right side of the equal sign and see what combines. N, well there's no other n, so it's by itself. 4 and 9, that's 13. So now we've sort of gathered everything together before we move it. I look and I'm going to move my variable first. You can move the number first, but I just like to move the variable first, and I like to move the smaller variable. I have the number n. I have 2n. This is smaller. I'm going to get rid of them on that side. I'm going to basically pick them up and get rid of them on that side, which means I got to pick one up off this side to keep that balance. If you take away 2 pounds here, you better take away 2 pounds here. Take away 10 pounds on this side of a weight scale, you better do the same thing over on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this n. I'm going to subtract an n. Whatever I do on this right-hand side of the equal, I better do on the left. So I take away an n. 2n take away an n is a single n. Plus the number 4, n minus n, that's gone, 0, and then 0 plus 13 is just the number 13. We got rid of the n on that side. We got it all over here to the left. Now, I want n to be by itself. Well, we say we want to isolate the variable. So I want to get n by itself. I got to get rid of adding 4 to it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 4 to get rid of it. But if I subtracted 4 on that left side, remember, you got to do it on the right-hand side too. So I'll subtract 4 from that 13. I'm left with just a single n. 13 minus 4, 9. I can check if I plug 9 back in here. 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1, that's going to give me 22. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 9, 22. Yeah, that's the magical value that makes this side equal to the other side. Answer, n is equal to 9.